Starshipit takes away the hassle of printing labels, offering lightning-fast label generation from a robust list of couriers. In this tutorial, we'll run through the different ways you can print orders and generate labels. To print individual orders, simply go to the Orders screen and select the order you want to print a label for by clicking on the order number. You may want to amend the order details or courier selection prior to printing a label. You can choose to directly print a label to your thermal printer by clicking Print Labels, or you can download the label as a PDF by selecting Download. A tracking number will be generated and your order will move from the New tab to the Printed tab. If you selected Download, your PDF can be found in the Downloads bar in your browser or in your Downloads folder. You can use Starshipit's bulk print feature to print multiple labels for orders using the same courier service. From the Orders screen, you can select multiple orders using the checkboxes on the left. Here's a handy tip. If you're shipping with more than one courier, you can use the filter function to make it easier to select the orders you want to print. To print the labels, just click Print Shipping Labels at the top of the Orders screen. This generates a PDF file of the labels you've selected. Your PDF can be found in the Downloads bar in your browser or in your Downloads folder.